Eid Mubarak, Alhamdulillah, hadiah, gift for my niece and for my sister. Sis, my hadiah, excited, 6,000 Qatar Riyal for you, deserve, thank you so much. Happy yan.
Thank you so much, Sister Saadia.
Welcome. 6,000 Riyal for my niece also, hadiah, min. Happy yan.
Thank you so much, Adi.
Happy yan. Welcome. Thank you too. Happy ang mga yan.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. May nainggit si Tamim. Alhamdulillah. God bless you.